Welcome back to the Mortgage and Marketing Update. I'm Brian DeMarie. I'm a loan originator with Union Home Mortgage and the DeMarie lending team. So rent prices are going up a lot. Apartment list rental index has come out and showing that rents are up 1.9% month over month. So that's for the month of April alone. In addition to the increase of 1.4% that went up in March, and we've got a little bit of a trend going here. So rent prices make up a significant part of the CPI and PCE, which are our inflation reports that we get once a month. So as we're expecting inflation to rise on a year-over-year basis, just because of all of these comparisons we're making to last year. So May 12th, we're going to be getting the CPI reading for April, which is the one that everybody is on the edge of their seat for, because we have all of these things influencing the inflation, like higher goods prices, which are going up, which we're seeing a lot of companies talking about. Services are going up as well. And the question is, how much are these rents going to also now add into this, because they make up a significant part of this. So as the urban areas are starting to charge more money for their rent prices, remember, people vacated from those in COVID and went to all these suburban, exurb areas. So we saw those prices go up. Now we're seeing those prices continue to stay, and now urban areas are continuing to go up as well. So now it's bringing the number back up. Remember, we reported this a month or two ago, or a couple times, where the urban areas were not going up, holding down the overall national number. Well, now they're starting to catch up, and that national number is starting to go up as well. So we're really curious to see what this is going to look like. Nationally, we are down 18 days on market right now. That is including all homes, not just homes under 350. We're talking $1 million homes as well. It's probably bringing that number up because, a lot of these cheaper homes are definitely going off market really quickly. So competition is crazy. You might want to talk to me about our bid over asking tool, where we can help you, at least you and your buyer, find out how long it'll take for them to recover if they go above asking price. How long will the appreciation take to catch up to the amount of money they just offered on this house? A lot of people are asking, are we in a bubble? Get this question a lot. A lot of economists are saying no, just because the inventory is so low, which is keeping the demand so high. But if your buyer is going way too far over, they may be in a bubble just on that one house individually, right? So if it comes on the market at 300 and they bid up the price all the way to 370 and they pay cash for it, it may take them 3 or 4 or 5 years maybe for the appreciation to catch up. So they may be in a bubble on that one house, but as long as they don't go too far above appraised value, too far, they may not really be considered a bubble, because the appreciation will continue to march forward at some rate of pace, anywhere between 4 and 7%, 4 on the low side for a lot of folks, all the way up to 10 and above in other markets. But keep that in mind, that if they go way too far above the asking price, then individually they're in a bubble, but not necessarily the whole market. If you know anybody that needs a mortgage, we are your #1 resource. All you have to do is send us a text message with the buyer's name, or do a 3-way text message with the buyer's name and number, and we are happy to reach out to get them pre-approved. Fastest 0 to 60 time is that online application. You can just send them a list of the documentation. We can get them started as quickly as possible and get them to a pre-approval letter so you can make an offer. All these videos are backed up on YouTube. All you got to do is type in my name. Check us out on Instagram. Have a great day.